What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to restore Steam Cloud saves on your Windows PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, open up your Steam launcher and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Click on Steam on the top left of this window to access your Steam launcher settings. In the Cloud section, make sure that this Enable Steam Cloud Synchronization for applications which support it option is toggled on. When this is done, you can close your Steam settings window and then click on Steam again and select Exit. This will close the Steam launcher and all of the Steam processes running on your PC. After restarting the Steam launcher, you might be required to log back into your account and then head over to your game library. Here, right-click the title where you wish to restore the cloud save and select Properties. In the General section, under Steam Cloud, enable the Keep Games Saved in the Steam Cloud option for the game. Next, in the Local Files section of your game properties, click on Browse, which will open up your File Explorer containing all of the game files. Navigate back to the main Steam directory in your File Explorer, and under User Data, you can find numbered folders containing the Steam Cloud saves for your games and applications. To find out which number belongs to which game, simply open up your browser of choice and navigate to the game page on the store.steampart.com domain. The string of numbers in the URL will be the same as the numbers for your Steam Cloud saves. If the game you wish to restore is using a third-party downloader or installer like Black Desert Online, then this guide will not work for you, as the cloud saves are not stored within Steam. In some cases, you will be able to restore a game save using the Steam launcher for all kinds of games. To see if there is a backup available, head back to Steam on the top left of your screen and select Backup and Restore Games. Here, select to back up currently installed programs or to restore a previous backup. Click on Next to see if there is a backup available for the title you wish to restore. All of these steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.